Hi, I'm Cindy, and this session I want to talk to you about being as flexible as a brick. For those people who know me, you probably know that I'm not very flexible when it comes to physicality. In fact, watching me on a yoga mat puts me up for candidacy for the Melbourne Comedy Festival. I'm sure with some effort I could develop a bit more sort of hamstring length and glute length, but it is fairly entertaining. You're probably wondering also what that's got to do with meditation and mindfulness. It's really important in your practice and when you're developing your skills and what have you, that you do have a degree of flexibility about where and when you do your practice, and hence why I'm coming to you from the inside of my car. You know, as much as we try and plan things and get together a routine with our exercise, our meditation, our nutrition and other things in our life, the universe and life just always throws things up in the air. For whatever reason, life gets busy. You may find that you had a morning practice and you had a bit of a sleep in purely because you needed the sleep, or that a meeting was thrown into your lunchtime practice, or something happened in the evening that just threw everything out of kilter. If you get the opportunity and you can see that something coming up for you, you can find little bits in your day whereby you can put your practice in, which is outside of your normal routine. And the car is a classic example of how you can do that. It's generally just you in the car in a bit of quiet space, remembering that it's only for 10 minutes or so. We're not talking 4 hours, so it's quite easy to fit in. I also find places like airlines, when I'm flying, park benches, when I'm waiting for appointments, I'll wait for them in the car, various different places that I can sneak things in. And as I said, it's only 10 minutes. So maintaining flexibility of mind and in your practice is really crucial. It's far better for you to do just 2 minutes of practice than none whatsoever, so that you do continue to gain the benefits while you're developing. It's ideal for you to keep your routine, but life's not like that. Look for every opportunity to just add a little bit of practice in. If you want to read more about this and maybe have a look at some other of the hints and tips, then jump onto the Mind Garage website. The links are all around the place.